Hey friends, Vin here. I'm live on the YouTube, on the interwebs, and I'm going to speak to you about 3 steps to making online for the 50 plus community, the 40-year-old, 50-year-old, 60 plus year old community. You know how tech savvy we are. We want to learn how to build, manage, and maintain a business on the interwebs. It's got to be simple. Does it not have to be simple? But I got a lot to do today, and it's just precisely the point that we want to have something that we can blend into our very busy life. Something that's lucrative, fulfilling. I'll say this too. This program I'm sharing with you, the System-Driven Blueprint, is something that I really like, something that I believe in, something that I enjoy sharing with people, something that flat out works, something that's simple, and something I've been looking for many, many years, actually. Now, 3 things you do need. You need something that's in high demand, something that has value, and something that's digital. If you're in the 50 plus community, I'll say 50 plus because that's me. It's like people say, well, who are you selling to? Who's your avatar? I think I'm my own avatar, people like myself, mothers, fathers, parents, people that are looking to create something that's really not, there's no wear and tear on the body, something you can work that's part-time, something that pays significant income. And you can make per sale with this system anywhere from $100 to $2,800 a day. I use this actually to build multiple businesses and create multiple income streams online. I was looking for this for a lot of years. And again, it's right there on the screen. You can see systemdrivenblueprint.com. It's below. Pick up the blueprint. It's free. It's a cookie cutter, paint by the numbers, something that an 8-year-old can do. And that's what I was looking for. So what happened with me was my background is a civil servant. I worked 25 years as a civil servant. I come from the working class, the pension, the benefits, 40, 50, 60 hours a week. And I was very happy. I'm not going to sit here and say I didn't enjoy my job because I did, but I don't miss having to work 40, 50 hours a week. I don't miss working in the freezing cold. I don't miss when I had to work, and I did miss the kids' birthdays and holidays and weekends. And 10 years ago, we moved, and I wanted to build something on the internet. I want to learn how to generate leads. I don't want something where I have to bother people, DM people. I've been involved in network marketing and affiliate marketing. I wanted something separate from network marketing, something that I didn't have to build a team. What I really wanted was I wanted a system where I can generate leads. I mean, there's obviously more people that I don't know than I do know. And I didn't want something where I had to reach out to family, friends, neighbors, and pitch them on something. DM people, text people, call people. I wanted to have something I can do. I can generate leads when I'm not there. So what happened with me was I went down the rabbit hole and I bought all these different programs and softwares and things. It was very costly, very confusing. I had no one to help me. Then I paid a guy $1,000 for 1 hour of his time. I can't even tell you how maddening it was, because after all of that, I didn't have anything done anyway. So it was like, and it took me years to not get anything done. It was like, so a year and a half ago, I saw a guy I know who's now a friend of mine, and he was saying he just made $1,800 yesterday or $1,000 today. So I'm stalking him. I'm like looking at him online. I'm stalking him so much that the algorithm, that's something to note, the algorithm, when I would open up Facebook, I would see his post would come up. And so what I did was I went to his website, which is like my website there now is systemdrivenblueprint.com. If you want the free blueprint and the video series, you just put your email in there. So I did that. I put the email in. It turns out to be selling exactly what I've been looking for years. I bought the program, and let me tell you something. In less than 48 hours, I had put together what I couldn't put together in like 8 years. And I'm not kidding you. I just wanted something where I don't want to bother people. Does that make sense? You want to build a business online. You don't know where to start. You're not tech savvy. You don't want to bother people. So I got this program. It's friggin' great. I have a funnel set up like this. Thank you page, video page, sales page. There's a live interactive community. In the past, if I had questions, I had to like speak to a bot or like get on with customer service and wait for someone to email me. Here, it's like interactive. Like what I like about the community is everyone doesn't know what they're doing. You know what I mean? It's not like all these bunch of techies. Like, what do you mean you don't understand? So I like this community because it's kind of like the island of misfit toys. No one knows what they're doing, but we all have. So it's like we all in the same boat, right? And then I saw people who's making 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, who made like $50,000 the first year, who's making 50 grand a month, who made 200,000 their first year, who made 100,000 in 90 days. And I'm seeing some of the people, I'm like, No offense, but if that person can do it, I can definitely do it. And I did. I made like 50 grand, right? So then what happened was I saw another program, an affiliate program, something different, because this program, the System-Driven Blueprint, is its own type of business. It's not MLM. You don't have to build teams. You make 100% commissions, which is like a home run, especially if you have a background in network marketing where you make like very small commissions. So this program, I'm getting paid 100% commissions. I'm like, I believe in it so much that why wouldn't I resell it? And you get the blueprint. If you have any questions, you can either put it in the comments here or something, or when you opt in, just email, use the automation. And that's something I love because it's not like I'm bothering anyone, right? I'm not jumping out of the bushes to talk to friends, family, neighbors, relatives. People that email me with questions have already reviewed the information. That's like a qualified buyer. So that's great. Like automation is to our time what compounding interest is to our money. But one of the things I use this system for, listen to this. In August of 2025, I saw another program, an affiliate program, something totally different than this System-Driven Blueprint. And I'm like, wow, this is great. But if I want to make money, I have to recruit people. But I don't want to talk to people. So I went into this system, used what it shows me, and I duplicated another funnel for that business. And I sent out emails to the list of people that I already had. I just pressed one button, boom. People that wanted information about that other program opted into that funnel, watched a video series. I love this. I'm not getting rejection. So anyway, this other program from August to the end of the year of 2025 in commissions made over 6 figures in 4 months. That was a separate business, separate than this. It goes to show, like, I didn't own the company, but I own my list. I own all the leads. I mean, what I learned is just, it's off the charts, right? And so, you know, I wanted to come on here and say that I want to do more lives on this topic. You can go to systemdrivenblueprint.com and you can learn more about that. The compensation with this is, I mean, they have a whole program to show you how to make $30,000 in 90 days by following the step-by-step process. So, and every day there's a new training. There's recorded trainings. They answer questions. And so everything about this program has been great. So I just wanted to come on quick. I got to get my workout in. Then I got to eat my lunch. I'm waiting for the mulch guys to show up. We're getting 2 pallets of mulch. I mean, have you guys noticed it? It's like the price of everything through the roof. This is why, like, 3 steps to online income for the 50-year-old plus community. We're freaking busy. We're tired and we're busy. And we want something we can do online, something that's simple to do, and something where you're going to have people hold your hand and give you support. Even if you don't want to resell the program, even if you're in mortgage, real estate, fitness, finance, insurance, you want more leads for your business. This program teaches you AI, how to create your own AI avatar with your own AI voice. And it's one time. There's no monthly. So it's friggin' awesome. All right. Thanks for tuning in. If you need anything, let me know. And I'll see you at the top. Let's do it.